big, free, fun. Have a solid plan. Create a solid team. And number 3, have plans to have continuing education. My relationship with my clients has always been about education, letting them know what I'm using, why I'm using it, why is this different than the other thing, even my celebrity clients. My current favorite haircut, I'm calling the mag. It's a little bit mullet, it's a little bit shag, but softer around the edges. I'm a lifelong learner. That's how I stay on top of what is current, what's popular, what's trending. So if you want to be an educator, I would say make sure you continue your education. I just think it's great overall for any stylist who needs product knowledge, who needs education on the spot. If you need quick formulation help, you need to know about a product really quickly to help in retail or to use on a new guest that has a different texture maybe that you're not familiar with. L'Oréal Access is really, really great for instant education at your fingertips. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.